Tamiya in 1981, it got a super realistic Hilux at that time. Most I use metal product, including the free-speed gearbox, chassis, axle, and everyone believes they are very strong, but this is not true. Until 82, they got a Chevrolet. It got a lot of problem about quality, metal quality problem. You can see here, the steering axle, front axle, steering arm, broken. It's always broken. Even the hubs broken. This is a quite normal problem. And for the children, the vehicle are so expensive. They are really feel unhappy. And the spare parts are not easy to get, even you pay expensive price. When you got a quality problem, Tamiya product, what you can do, you're just unlucky. I got nearly 10 of them at that time when I make it, and 2 got problem. They are both later model. I mean, after 82, 83, I buy them. The first series don't have any problem. And the problem, you will get angry because when you go to off-road, not hitting big rock, just a light small rock, it will damage. Sometimes damage the arm, but sometimes even damage the bearing hub tube. After damage, front axle, what I can do, I cut it to build other small scale truck, make it useful again. And about the booster, they modify a lot. It use one-way bearing here, a big hub, but it still got a big problem. What the problem you got is when go forward, it go four-wheel drive. When you reverse the vehicle, even in first gear, because one-way bearing, even the drive shaft moving, the car not moving. And what I can do at that time, I threw the hub and I use a adapter by myself. But the problem is you need to make a hole in the original shaft. Here I show you. You can see DIY a shaft and make a hole here. This pair booster axle I modified, so you can changing other brand, tire and wheel. So you got four-wheel drive, both forward and reverse in first gear. Here you can see 3 axle from Tamiya for the Hilux. The first series, it got free-wheel hub, one-way bearing. The second, the booster, it got one-way bearing only, no free-wheel hub. So it no when reverse, even first gear, no four-wheel drive. And this is the later one. I like it very much. It is also booster, but it is called RN36. This one, it got a open differential, the axle, but it also got problem. What the problem it got is, when you need the off-road locking the differential, it is how stupid. You need to take out this bolt to make a pin to locking the side gear. And here, the spring, leaf springs on the top. So this hole is not at the bottom, on the top. You need at least each axle 5-10 minutes to do the locking. And in 90s, I already built my first RC car with diff lock. Today, nearly all of nice RC vehicle, like a US made, like FMS, got the diff lock. So simple, and the Tamiya still so stupid. Lucky is all the gear ratio are the same, only the gearbox ratio not the same. So I like use those axle modified to my first series Hilux pickup. Even my 6-wheel drive, the third axle, I use this one. So on the road, it got differential. If you want to use this RN36 axle in the first series of Hilux pickup truck, this one, what you need to do, you need to use the most rare, expensive, easy broken front wheel hub direct to this axle, because the free hole, they are not the same size. Or you can CNC it, make it smaller. But this is ugly looking. This is nice looking. The only problem, the hub no more free and lock function unless you go to CNC the front drive shaft to make it a little bit difference, and then you still go fuel hub. But to be honest, it is not a real car. Fuel consumption for today battery, no any trouble. So you just can, like me, direct bolt on this one. So easy. You just need to take out this bolt, take out the hub, and then take out the complete bearing to put this hub, original first series Toyota hub inside, and then put this in free position, and then use nut to lock. Just so simple. Use the original first series Toyota Hilux hub to instead of the later one, and then it will go inside a little bit too, because the new one, the offset are not 100% same. How simple to solve the Hilux problem. Tamiya got a lot of mistake, but everything can solve if you are a real car mechanic. You can see axle will broken, whole bearing holder will broken, and even the steering arm will broken. The first series 81 normally without this problem, but the Chevrolet got this problem, quality problem, metal parts quality problem, and this is why this time I will fully modify my Chevrolet